Alright, Technique 5, Victory Confetti. Make it rain confetti when the game is won. When slash lost triggers have no connection at all to objects or switches. They're simply on whatever or not the game has been won or lost. But remember that there's a big difference between when it has been won and not yet lost. When it lost represent the exact moment when the game is won or lost. For has been blinked or not yet blinked represent its continuous trigger. If you don't want the game to rest, you taps after winning or losing. Win/loss triggers are very useful